Welcome back, students. So, our last lecture we have completed the last part of the chapter, that is Van 't Hoff factor. So, with this Van 't Hoff factor term, we come to the end of the chapter because we don't have the numerical based on Van 't Hoff factor for our board exams. So that's why today we start with a new chapter, electrochemistry, from section 1. So electrochemistry, first we have to define what is electrochemistry. Of course पहले हम define करेंगे. So electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry which will deal with the interconversion of different forms of energy. मतलब it is a branch of chemistry which will help us to understand the interconversion of different forms of energy, and in this chapter specifically we are going to study interconversion of chemical energy into electrical energy and electrical energy into chemical energy. Okay, so that is the definition for electrochemistry. So if this is the definition, then there has to be a device, एक डिवाइस होना चाहिए ना, जो ये कन्वर्जन को प्रैक्टिकली हमको एक्सप्लेन कर सके. Okay, so that device is called as electrochemical cell. Okay, electrochemical cell. So electrochemical cells are device which will help us to explain the interconversion of chemical and electrical energy. Now in this chapter, in your syllabus, we have two types of electrochemical cell. First one is galvanic cell, or it is also called as voltaic cell. Voltaic cell, galvanic cell or voltaic cell, and second one is electrolytic cell. So let us define galvanic cell. तो galvanic cell एक ऐसे टाइप का इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल है जिसमें chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Okay, so galvanic cell is a type of electrochemical cell in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. And second one is electrolytic cell, जिसमें electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay, opposite का मतलब क्या? Interconversion is opposite. Electrical energy will get converted to chemical energy. इसमें electrolytic cell. Now in detail in your syllabus we have to study galvanic cells. So we start with the concept after defining galvanic cell. Okay, we start with the detailed concept of galvanic cell, जिसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट है कि द मेन बेस ऑफ वर्किंग ऑफ galvanic cell is redox reaction. Okay, that means galvanic cell works under the main concept of redox reaction, and you know what is the meaning of redox reaction because ये लोअर स्टैंडर्ड्स में इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुका है, डेफिनेशन ऑफ redox reaction. So let us define once again. Redox reaction मतलब क्या? Chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. Okay, so what is the redox reaction? A chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously, they are called redox reaction. And we also know that oxidation will always take place at anode, okay, and reduction will take place at cathode. Okay, so these concepts for the detailed understanding of galvanic cell is very important. That galvanic cell works because of occurrence of redox reaction, okay, in the cell. And in the redox reaction we have two reactions, oxidation and reduction, and there are two electrodes where these reactions are occurring. Oxidation will take place at anode and reduction will take place at cathode. So let us study in detail the example for galvanic cell in your syllabus. And that galvanic cell here is Daniell cell. Okay. So in the Daniell cell, as you will find in my notes, okay, every time I tell you that when I send video link for any chapter or any PDF, okay, so PDF will be already sent to you. So for video lesson you have to keep your notes in front of you to understand this explanation. Okay, here in this case also Daniell cell diagram you have to refer from the text, and now you understand the explanation which I am giving here. So after drawing the Daniell cell diagram, you explain the diagram in your own words. Okay, like Daniell cell, in a Daniell cell we have two solutions taken in a two different container. In one container we have zinc sulfate solution, okay, and the electrode which is introduced in the zinc sulfate solution is zinc electrode. Okay, in second container we have, or second beaker we have copper sulfate solution, and copper electrode is introduced in the copper sulfate solution. Okay, and then these two cells are connected to the voltmeter, okay, which will give you the voltage of current produced by Daniell cell. So in the beginning construction you can explain in your own words, and one important point in the construction we have to mention is anode is zinc electrode and cathode is copper electrode. Oxidation will take place at anode, reduction will take place at cathode. Now working of the cell. In the working of the cell, once we know that there are two electrodes, okay, now considering the electrodes dipped in their respective solutions. The respective solution मतलब क्या? Zinc electrode is dipped in zinc ion solution, copper electrode is dipped in copper ion solution. Okay, and then they are connected. So this type of arrangement in complete galvanic Daniell cell consists of two half cells. यहाँ पे अभी कॉन्सेप्ट कौन सा आता है? हाफ सेल्स का. एक हाफ सेल है हमारा जिंक हाफ सेल और दूसरा हाफ सेल क्या है? कॉपर हाफ सेल. जिंक हाफ सेल है एनोड और कॉपर हाफ सेल है कैथोड. Now molar concentration. Zinc electrode is dipped in zinc sulfate solution जिसका एक पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होगा, तो उसको बोलते हैं मोलर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशंस. यहाँ पे जिंक सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन होगा, यहाँ पे कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन. फॉर एग्जांपल 0.1 मोलर जिंक सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन, 0.1 मोलर कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो दैट वी आर representing as C1 and C2 concentration of the solutions. Okay, and here when finally we are going to represent the cell, okay, symbolically cell को represent कैसे करते हैं, तो उसके पहले हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे लिखा है zinc single vertical line means zinc electrode dipped in or in direct contact with zinc ions, and copper electrode in direct contact with copper ions. Concentration is C1 for the first half cell and C2 for the second half cell, which makes a complete Daniell cell. Now to represent the cell, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हम लोग लिखेंगे पहले एनोड जो हमारा जिंक हाफ सेल है, यहाँ पे लिख दिया है नेगेटिव चार्ज है एनोड के लिए. डबल वर्टिकल लाइन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ सिंगल वर्टिकल लाइन वी नो मींस डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रोड एंड द सॉल्यूशन. डबल वर्टिकल लाइन मतलब क्या? सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में सॉल्ट ब्रिज. अब ये सॉल्ट ब्रिज एक यू शेप्ड ट्यूब है जो इलेक्ट्रिकली कनेक्ट करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉल्ट ब्रिज and represented by a double vertical line in cell representation. Okay, and then you write on the second half cell Cu2 plus single vertical line Cu solid. Okay, cathode having positive charge. Once you represent the cell, okay, then you also have to write the cell reactions taking place, because we have started with the concept of working of the cell. So okay, what will happen after some time? The reaction starts. Once your setup is ready, reaction starts. तो क्या हो रहा है रिएक्शन में? हमारा जिंक हाफ सेल है, एनोड, तो ऑक्सीडेशन होगा वहाँ पे. Zn will lose 2 electrons, Zn2 plus 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons will be accepted by copper ions. Okay, and then it will get reduced to copper. Okay, then you have to write down the net cell reaction. यहाँ पे अगर आपको नेट सेल रिएक्शन लिखना है, ठीक है, कैसे लिखेंगे? फिर आप ये दोनों रिएक्शंस को ऐड करो, एनोड और कैथोड रिएक्शन को. 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी कैंसल्ड. ओके, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऐड करो, क्या बचता है यहाँ पे? जिंक सॉलिड एस लिखिए यहाँ पे, और ये हो गया कॉपर आयन एक्वस प्रिपेयर्ड इन वाटर, यहाँ पे भी एक्वस, और ये हो गया हमारा सॉलिड राइट हैंड साइड ऐड करने के बाद. ओके, so this will complete your answer for, okay, might be a short note. Okay, explain construction and working of the Daniell cell along with diagram. To complete, okay, 3 marks or 4 marks question can be asked. So this will final step, cell reaction will complete your answer. And of course अगर ये रिएक्शन हो रहा है तो हमको एक कॉन्सेप्ट वापस ध्यान में रखना है कि ये गैल्वानिक सेल है, जिसमें केमिकल रिएक्शन की वजह से क्या जनरेट होता है? इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. ओके, तो कितना वोल्टेज करंट डैनियल सेल प्रोड्यूस करता है वो आपको कहाँ पे मेजर कर सकते हैं? वोल्ट मीटर. ओके, एंड द वोल्टेज ऑफ डैनियल सेल इज approximately 1.1 volts. Very important. Okay, so dear students, this was the concept of electrochemistry today. We started with the introduction of electrochemistry, and then we continued very important concept, that is electrochemical cells. Okay, and one example of galvanic cell, that is Daniell cell, very important. Okay, we have covered today. Okay, so just go through the notes and this explanation. Okay, and write your notes, maintain your notes in your copies. Okay, soon you will receive, today only might be, you will receive the message in group. Okay, that you have to submit the notes for the chapter which you have completed, that is chapter solutions. So for that you have to now start sending the notes. Last date will be given to you in the message. Okay, so I hope you have understood today's explanation. Any doubts anytime you can ask. Okay, so we'll continue next time. Have a nice day. Thanks for today.